going to start this video off really quickly with a little quote that you actually might want to learn and listen to, okay? So I'm going to read it off my phone just so I don't get it wrong. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That's by Warren Buffett. Now, who wants to work till they die? No one wants to do that. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to make money in your sleep that can make you a lot of money in your sleep as well. So let's get into these passive income sources right now. Okay, so this first one is quite a special one to me. It's probably one of the first passive income sources that I found at a young age. I'll tell you the story of how I got into this. So I was, I believe, 16, 17. I don't do this anymore, so if anyone's watching, I don't recommend to do this either, but this is how I got into it, okay? So basically, I was 16, 17, and 16, 17, you're at this age where you want to go out loads. And my birthday is in August, so if you don't know about the school year, I'm the last person to turn 18. And in the UK, 18 is the amount, like the legal age where you can go out and drink with your mates, basically, at a pub or a club or anything. Okay, so that was the legal age I could go to clubs and stuff like that. And I had no way of getting into clubs. All my mates would go into there, they found other IDs from people who looked like them, and I couldn't get one. I could not get one anywhere. It was so annoying because no one looked like me apart from my cousin, and it just didn't really work. I ended up borrowing people's IDs and getting them took off me. It was just not the best. And you're probably wondering, why are you talking about fake ID? No, not fake IDs, but borrowing people's IDs to go out and drink. Well, I've seen a big problem. So many other teenagers and kids my age were trying to go out and drink. So I ended up investing into Bitcoin. Now, I invested into Bitcoin to buy fake IDs, right? So I made people give me money. Basically, I bought fake IDs from a website using Bitcoin, and I made people give me money, cash, and then I put that money into Bitcoin, right? So I kept money basically when Bitcoin was quite low. I think it was only a couple thousand, and that Bitcoin, even though I sold it a couple of years ago, is now worth, I believe, $5,000 from just the amount that was left just from people paying me. So I was like, yeah, pay me a bit of fee, and I basically kept the fee. So I kept a bit of the fee, and then I kept a bit of money in Bitcoin as well. And that money went up to like $5,000 or something from selling fake IDs to people. So this is cryptocurrency, right? Now, the reason why cryptocurrency is so important, and you should do it today and invest into it, is because not really for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's at this stage where it's massive, it's too far, like you're not going to make much money from Bitcoin. Investing into starting up altcoins. Now, investing into starting up altcoins that you know are going to do well. So do your research in them, obviously. I'll tell you a couple that I'm investing in right now that I believe will make a lot of money. So don't quote me, this is not financial advice, this is just my own personal investments. If you want to use it, you can do. I'm not saying that they're going to work, but I'm investing money into it. Okay, so first one is SafeMoon. Now, SafeMoon is a startup altcoin. Now, if you invest in these startup altcoins that, from the bottom are going to chart up all the way to the top, they're going to, if you invest into them at the bottom, when they're just starting these alternative coins, you've got a big potential to make a lot of profit. When comparing it to something like Bitcoin and investing into Bitcoin, then it's not really as much. Instead of having your money just sitting there in a savings account, this is what I say to people anyway, instead of having your money just sitting there in a savings account, not doing anything, you earn 1% interest every year, or whatever it is. I don't even think it's that anymore. If you put it into something like cryptocurrency and you start up cryptocurrency from the start, you could potentially 15x your revenue in a couple of weeks, and it's just going to keep growing and growing and growing. I invested in something called Cardano last year. I made a TikTok about this. You can see it on my TikTok. I was going to show it, but you can see it on TikTok, Mad About Media TikTok. And basically I invested in Cardano in like April something last year when it was only 3 cents. And I sold it at, I believe, 12 cents. So I 4x my money, which to me I was like, yeah, this is brilliant. It's now at $1.15. I don't want to say how much money I could have made. I just didn't see it. For some reason I just didn't see it blowing up to $1. I just didn't see it blowing up to $1. I knew it was going to be massive, but I thought it'd be like 50 cents, something like that. I was like, you know what, I'll just take some money out now, 12 cents, go on. Always hodl. So this is what I mean. Invest into, do your research into cryptocurrencies, invest into it. And there is also something as well, which I'm going to tell you. On Binance, which is probably the biggest exchange in cryptocurrency at the moment, you can put money into a certain cryptocurrency and you can get a certain amount of interest on just keeping and holding that cryptocurrency. Now, not only if the actual value of the coin goes up, you earn more money, but you can get, I believe, 30% more in some cases of your actual investment, I think, per the amount of time that you actually invest into it. So you get 30% of the coins more. And if the value of them coins go up, then you're making so much money from that. And it's just better than keeping your money in a savings account. It's a great investment, and I highly recommend it. Now, that's probably the best way to make money in your sleep without doing jack. Like, you don't have to do anything, just invest. But make sure it's in something that's actually really good. Let me just take a drink of water. Keep yourself hydrated. So go on to the next one. And the next one is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is the best way because all you got to do is promote it. Now, if you have an existing following, then oh my god, your life is easy because you don't have to get a shout out rate from anyone. You don't have to do anything. All you can do is literally promote a certain service for commission. Now, all you do is sell people onto something, and if you've got a target audience that you know are going to be interested in a certain product, like for example, my target audience is marketing people who want to make money, and one way that we've been doing it is promoting something called ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels basically is the easiest sales funnel website ever. It is the easiest sales funnel website ever, and probably one of the best as well. And it costs $97 a month or $197 a month. And basically all we did was promote it in Facebook and YouTube and commenting to people on Reddit, basically going, oh yeah, this is what we use, this is what we use, and just sharing the link out there. No paid marketing actually for ClickFunnels, even though you can use paid marketing, which is one way to actually increase your affiliate marketing spend and everything else like that. No paid marketing, nothing, and we're getting a good amount of recurring commission from it, basically. And we've done no paid marketing, and we're going to look at doing paid marketing for ClickFunnels. So all we do is promote people. You go use ClickFunnels with our link here, and you go and do it, and basically we earn residual money from it every month. Same with Shopify, we earn residual money from Shopify every month. It's just the best, like, just money coming in for literally just referring people to do it. We don't have to do anything, and we still make money from it every month on our sleep. The best affiliate marketing ways, like things to promote, are recurring how do you say it, apps and websites are going to take out a recurring payment every single month, because then you're getting residual income in every single month, and you know it. Obviously you're going to have people drop off, but as long as you keep promoting it, then you're going to have more people joining, which is really beneficial. And if you're doing it to your target audience, for us, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and if you want to actually check out what Shopify and ClickFunnels are and their affiliate programs, then click on the link in the description below. You can go through a link there and get yourself some moolah. So there's a way to get yourself some money. But obviously one thing that a lot of people do is they do paid marketing. Now, usually with ClickFunnels as well, you can promote some sort of webinar from the founder of ClickFunnels, and you can do this for so many other things, and basically they will do a video presentation selling them onto it. All you gotta do is take the people, the leads, and put them on to a video presentation that they've made, and they'll sell them for you, but you get a commission. This is the easiest way to make money, I reckon. Definitely. Online, it's just the easiest, easiest for the best amount of money that you can make. My dad basically started affiliate marketing and made close to, I think it's probably over 7 figures from affiliate marketing, definitely. My uncle also started affiliate marketing. He started it well before I was born. Not well before I was born, but well before I could even think about the online world. I think it was about 2005 or something like that. He started at a very young age, and he's now very successful off it. Doesn't have to do anything pretty much. So put it as that. It's probably one of the best ways to make money. Brings us on to our third one, which is, even though that's the best one, this is my favourite because you can make even more money and you don't have to do as much, and you can start a complete business from this. And I'm pretty sure if you follow the channel already, you know what I'm about to say. And this this one is just for people who don't follow the channel already, and you just need to know about what this can do. Shopify dropshipping. Hey, Shopify dropshipping brings in probably the most amount of money for our business every single month, and it is the easiest way to make passive income, because once you get to a certain stage, all you do is process orders. And I'm getting to that stage right now. I'm getting to that stage right now. Because when you first start out, you got to learn Facebook ads, you got to do the marketing, you got to create the website, you got to do everything else along those lines. You've got to do everything. However, once you get to a certain stage, once you get the money, you can basically pay other people to do your customer service for you, your Facebook ads for you, everything. You can outsource near enough everything for your website and just process the residuals every single month once you get to a certain stage. This is why I think dropshipping is the best, because you can make so much money and you can save so much time. You don't have to. For one, if you don't know about what dropshipping actually is, you are basically buying products from a supplier when someone places an order from you. So someone places an order, you basically market it towards them, you do some sort of Facebook ads, you do everything. You learn the marketing skills, which is amazing. It's how I learned Facebook ads and everything else like that. Instagram influencer marketing. I've learned all that from dropshipping. And you learn the marketing skills and basically take the people who have bought. Someone goes onto your store, you find some way to make traffic. Your Shopify store then converts them. They buy it from you and then use the money to buy it from a supplier, and the supplier then processes the order and sends it to their address. It is the easiest system I've ever used in my life, and as long as you get top quality products that make you a lot of profit, and also use upsells, use everything else like that, you can make so much money from it. One of our business friends has pretty much nearly did 10k. He's nearly at 10k in a couple of months from starting this, using the methods that we've shown him, and just using his own. He had knowledge of Facebook ads, but he's never done it before. He started doing Facebook ads. He's nearly hit that 10k mark. I think he'll get there next month. 10k a month basically. He's made more than 10k. It's got to be more than 10k now. I know it because I spoke to him on the weekend. But yeah, it's got to be more than 10k now. And if you want to learn more about Shopify dropshipping, and if you want to actually get a dropshipping store, then what you can do is click in the link below and register for the free ebook that we offer. Register that free ebook, tells you a bit more about ways to make money online, which is amazing as well. And also, we'll then send you emails regarding how to get your own Shopify store for a really cheap price, because we're basically going to be making Shopify stores for everyone for a ridiculous price. It's a bit stupid, so I don't know why we're doing it, but we want to give back and show everyone how to do it, because so many people, when they start Shopify dropshipping, it's about starting it. They struggle with starting it. They're like, oh, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to build a site, I'm not doing it. But if we build a site for you, then all you got to do is learn the marketing behind it. And the best way to learn the marketing is by trying it and getting to know it. So that's why I highly recommend to go get your free ebook right now by clicking on the link in the description below, and you'll learn a bit more about dropshipping, a bit more about ways to make money online, and also we'll help you with some Shopify dropshipping techniques as well. If you want to learn more about Shopify dropshipping, I know I've said it I don't know how many times in this video, but if you want to learn more about it, then please make sure to subscribe. I don't know why I struggled then. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, because we go on about so many ways to make money online. And also leave a like on this video if you've really enjoyed these techniques, and comment below what more money making techniques and money mindset techniques would you like to know, because we will do our best to help you with that. Again, thank you everyone for watching. Subscribe again for more content, and I'll see you later.